YouTube. What's the scene? It's your boy Chef back again with another POV video, man, for y'all. As you can see, we doing a little nighttime POV drive in the M2 ski manual G87 M2. So yeah, thought I'd pick up the cam, give y'all boys a little, feel me, a little video on throw it in the M2 for y'all, so y'all really hit up. Woo! Nigga is flying next to me, boy. But yeah, that's what we got going on right now. Yo, and I want to say thank y'all to everybody, man. Yo, my last video fake did some numbers, I ain't gonna lie. So I just want to say thank y'all for that. I appreciate that. All the love and support I'm getting from everybody, you know what I'm saying? Really couldn't do it without y'all. Hold on, we got a beat. What's that up there? Let's go check that nigga. Sound like a V8, brother. Holy shit. Nah, my fucking car did not feel stable for a second. I'm not gonna lie to nobody. What the fuck is going on up there? Construction? We love that, right? Brother hunting. That brother hunting. Let me get that lane though, brother. Let me borrow that lane, brother. Sheesh! That beam on that ass chasing, brother. Belted eyes, BTA, brother.
we ain't come to play tonight. Nigga, M2 ain't come to play tonight, nigga. Beam in front, beam in the back, let's do it. Oh, he took that lane quick. Okay, my boy's a driver. In the automatic skis though. Good take, my brother. Good take, my brother. He coming. That brother hawking. There you go. Oh, this brother's a driver, huh? Oh, this brother's a driver, huh? Oh, police? Yeah, he's out of here, yo. Good run to that. Oh, there's a cop behind us? There's a cop behind us. Light it up. I dare you, nigga. Light it up. Light it up, nigga. He won't light it up though. He won't light it up though. Cop knew he wasn't gonna light that shit up. Fuck out of here. Fuck out of here, nigga. Fuck out of here. Nah, good run, bro. I think that was an M550. For sure. Car definitely sounded good though. Bro, I already told you, bro. Do your homework on Chef, Manual, 3-pedal lifestyle, dancing with these boys. And I don't know what the fuck is back there vibrating. I probably got something in the trunk right now. That shit sounds annoying, but do your homework though. Like, Chef could chase, Chef could lead, Chef could follow. Like, whatever you want to do, we could do. In the 3-pedal, banging gears, nigga. Do your homework on the bang, bang, drop a gear, disappear on them one time. Do I gotta break this shit down though? See, bro, this is why I like coming out at nighttime. I ain't gonna lie. This is why I really like recording these nighttime videos, cause these shits, you never know. Like, the demons come out at night. The demons. Feel me? Nah, shout out to him, boy. Hopefully he see this video, boy. Do a little post M2 on the fucking highway bugging. I don't know, bro. I think one of that cop to like throw his lights on. Nah, I'm lying, man. I'm lying. I'm a good youth, man. Pay my taxes and shit. I'm a civilian. You know what I'm saying? Y'all got it. Don't worry yourself. You got it.